which people around the world absolutely love. Featuring the highest fidelity sound quality and amazing active noise cancellation, AirPods Max deliver the ultimate personal listening experience. We're excited to introduce beautiful new colors in midnight, blue, purple, orange, and starlight, along with USB-C, making AirPods Max even more convenient to charge. They're still $549. They can be pre-ordered today.
iPhone continues to make a profound impact on all of our lives. Its power and capability enable us to get so much done so quickly and so easily, like connecting with our family and friends, staying productive on the go, and capturing life's special moments. Apple Intelligence will